Of course, Senator, you have my full support. The emergency housing bill is a top priority. Okay, talk to you next week. Bye-bye. Look at you. Your color is better. How you feeling?
Well, I just fixed the irrigation ditch, plowed the back 40, and cleaned all the troughs. Just about back to normal.
That's good. Then I won't feel bad asking you to set the table. I have to admit, you had me a little bit worried. Of all the things your dad and I went through when you were growing up, having a sick child was never one of them.
I've been thinking about that a lot lately. I remembered that every time I got a new ability, and I thought it was a curse. He made me understand it was a blessing. Just had to find a way to use it to my advantage.
I have no doubt your dad is very proud of you right now. Come in.
Well, looks like you got the wind back in your sails, young man.
I'm definitely on the upswing.
I came, Clark, to thank you for saving my son's life.
I didn't do it for Lex. I did it because my own identity was in jeopardy.
I realize that, but how does it go? The true measure of a man is not how he treats his friends, but how he treats his enemies. We may never know how much Lex really remembers about who you are, but I believe that you would have saved him in spite of that. You'll be there for him, always.
You don't know that.
No matter how much you try to deny it, that impulse is part of your nature. It's what makes you truly extraordinary. You did good, Martha Kent.
Lionel, we're about to sit down to dinner.
Oh.
No. If you don't have any plans, would you like to join us?
I thank you, but I don't want to intrude.
But you haven't had chicken pot pie until you've had my mom's secret recipe.
All right. I'll stay.